Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will guide you through several resolutions if your media player is not working in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are encountering issues with your media player in Windows 11, we have a straightforward solution for you. Begin by searching for Media Player in the Windows search bar. Once it appears in the search results, click on the forward-pointing arrow next to it. Following that, click on the downward-pointing arrow to reveal more options, and then select App Settings. Allow a moment for the app settings to load. Scroll down within the app settings and locate the Terminate button. Click on Terminate to stop any redundant processes that might be running in the background. After terminating, click on the Repair button to fix any corrupted components of the media player. Please wait patiently until you see a tick mark, indicating that the repair process is complete. Finally, click on Reset, and then confirm by clicking on Reset once again. This action will reset the media player application to its default state, which should effectively resolve the problem you are experiencing. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.